What's up guys? I'm so glad today I will make an update video for the new iPhone series. And this is actually the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see from this table, we got three colors, this is all the colors it got, which is silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. And the cosmic orange this year is a new color. So I think this color will be very popular this year in the market. Alright, and silver, which is similar like the last generation, and blue, yes, looks nice. Alright, so let's get started, unbox all of them. Okay, I want to use this orange color to show you guys what's inside this box and what the orange looks like, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm very excited. Yes, we got an iPhone logo in the side, and we got an orange Apple logo in the top and the bottom. Yes, it's original box for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Looks very nice. Okay, let's get started. I need to open or unbox this orange color. Let's get started. Yes, we show iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, the new iPhone. And we need to peel from here. Have a green arrow. Yeah, let's just peel it. And also the bottom. Wow, great. Yeah, I need to tell you guys we got actually all the versions, and this is actually the American versions for the US market, right? And also we got the European version, a Canada version, and the Australia version. It's up to you guys. If you order from us, we will send to you the iPhone according to your country, according to your region. If you are a customer from US, we will send you the American version. If you are come from Canada, we will send you the Canada version. Of course. Okay, let's get started. Unbox the orange color, which is the new color. Okay. Wow. Wow, stunning. This is the orange, cosmic orange color for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, this is actually the new design, which is totally different from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We have the new design of the camera here, and we have a new design here in the bottom, also the Apple logo. Yeah, looks amazing. Okay, and this is an orange color, and this one is silver color. Yes, we need to unbox it. Wow, that's an awesome moment every time when you open the new iPhone. Wow. So guys, this is a silver iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah, looks nice. And also the last one got the deep blue. Yeah, it's deep blue. Unbox it. Yeah, we got, this is actually the 512 gigabytes, and we also have the 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes. And this year for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, they got the maximum 2 terabytes. Yes, and we can make it. So this is a deep blue. Alright. And also we can see the box. This is a charging cable. Yeah. And we also have a use manual in the bottom. Alright. Use manual, yeah. It's nothing new. We all know it. And now we need to tell you guys the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I want to show you guys with this new color. Alright, so this is the back of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this is new color. Yes. Also, this is side, and this is a screen protector for the new phones. We need to peel it off. And let's turn it on to see what's the new iPhone looks like. Okay. And I want to tell you some basic specification for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. Actually, this is MTK6735 quad-core, 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. And also we can make it to 512GB, 2TB. It's up to you guys. And here we come to the setting page. For the first time when you turn the new iPhone on, and actually this is iOS 28. All the new iPhone 17 Pro series have the comes with the new iOS 28. Yes, setting page. We need to set it up. Really quick. Yes. Yeah, we come to the welcome to iPhone page. Okay guys, we come to the home page of the iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange, which is a new color and looks really amazing. And yeah, we can see the home page with everything. This is new features for the iOS 28. They call it the glass design for the totally new iOS 28. Okay. And let's see the tracking page. Check it about. Yes, this is iPhone and iOS version and model name, model number, serial number, etc. And also we can see the capacity. We make it, this is 2 terabytes storage. Yes, and we can see also iMe 1 and iMe 2. Okay, it's good. Yes. And I want to tell you more about some basic information for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. The camera, yeah, the camera is good. The front camera is 10 megapixels and back camera is 12. Let's just take a picture. Yeah. Alright, so this is the picture we just took. We took the box of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And the quality of this picture actually is good. Yeah, we can enlarge it. We can still see some details. Yeah, the camera is just good for this version iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah, I need to insert my SIM card to show you guys the 5G here. It makes it 5G. Alright guys, so I just insert my SIM card in this iPhone 17 Pro Max and we got a signal here. Yes. We can see it's full signal here, which shows 5G. Yes, so no worry, it works for your carrier. Alright guys, so this is the general information about the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Everything I just told you. Alright guys, so this is a general information for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. We have 3 colors here, and I tell you some basic information for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you guys are quite interested in this iPhone 17 Pro Max, just contact me by my WhatsApp, my Skype, or just write me email. Everything does okay. What's good? Alright, so much for this. Please stay tuned for my next video. I will just make some updates in the following videos. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And have a good day. Bye.